Hello students, I am your junior KG teacher Mohini Kulkarni. On behalf of Anand English Medium School, today we learn patterns. Today we learn up arrow. Open your books and take your pencil. Make sure that your pencil is sharp. Always take eraser with you. Now look at your books. There are dots in your books. Start from first dot and come down. Look carefully. This is a left slanting line. Now continue this line from last one and go up. Start from first line and come down. Continue this line and go up. This is called up arrow. Start from first line, first dot, come down and continue, go up. Practice it. Come down and go up. Come down and go up. Practice it. If you practice it, you can write firmly. You can draw it firmly. Just remember that your line will be slanting, left slanting, and this is right slanting line. What are you? Draw in your books. Just draw in your books. Start from first line to last one and draw this left slanting line. Continue from this dot, the last one dot, and go up. This will become up arrow. Come down, go up. Practice it. This will become up arrow. If you look carefully, you can understand that this is a left slanting line and this is a right slanting line. Joining these two slanting lines, it will become up arrow. Now next, there is only one dot in your books in a first line. On a first line, how can you write? How can you draw an up arrow? Look at the chalk. From the first dot, come down. Continue this line and go up. Practice it. Start from first dot, come down, continue and go up. Come down and go up. Start from this first dot, come down. This is left slanting line. Continue this line and go up. This is right slanting line. It will become up arrow. Make sure your pencil is sharp along with eraser. Come down, go up. Come down, go up. Practice it. Come down, go up. Make sure that these two lines are joining in third line. Don't separate it. Join this. Continue this left slanting line and go up. Come down, go up. Come down, go up. This is called up arrow. If you write this up arrow, you can write W Look at this. These are two up arrows. Joining two up arrows, it will become W, V. It's only one up arrow. You can write W, V and other alphabets. So practice it in your home, in your book. Goodbye.